there are going to be some problems. Yes, there are going to be some problems before you put the stone into the 4-claw prong setting. And this is one of them. On the side, on the left side of the claw, as the drill is going around in a circle, is going to throw out a little sliver of metal on all of the 4 claws. I think you can see it over there. I'm going to turn the camera ring around, and it's on either. It's only on one side, one that's nearest to you. As the drill is going around in a circular motion, it's going to be, there it is, you can see it now coming around, and you can have this little burr of metal. So how are you going to remove it? There's 2 ways. You can use your number 4 triangular file, resting it on your thumb as a tool rest. Just remove it on all of them. You can hear the sound change. Or you can use your trusty 180 grit pumice wheel with a tapered edge and come in and just clean up the side of the claw. So in case you feel not comfortable enough in using a file, use a pumice wheel. Coming in, oh, there's a big one there. And come in and just remove that. That's a part of the defect from the casting. Another thing I'm going to have you to do before you start the setting is getting your emery stick and just buff up the top. Why? It's because the fluorescent light comes down and hits the top of the claws and bounces into your eyes and gets very, very bright. I sometimes use a paper disc, but here I'm just showing you what I did before. All this was all prepared. So this is what we're going to do now. We're going to use my pumice wheel. I'll show you how easy it is. Come in and you can see it now. Go right down to beyond where the cutting was with the high-speed steel burr. I think these little pumice wheels are fantastic. Little godsend to the diamond setters and gemstone setters and jewelers and everybody who wants to use them. I don't buy 1 or 2. I buy 50 of them at a time. In case one gets worn away, I throw it away and get another one. So as it's cleaning, it's polishing it. Now, what we're going to do now is show you another item which I think is extremely important. Let us assume that you've got a very large, not this large, but you've got a very large girdled stone, and you want to put it into a very sharp edge bearing. It's not going to work. So what are you going to do? You're going to get your, again, a bud burr, and go right in where you made the bearing cut. And you're making that little opening a bit wider to accommodate a thicker girdled stone. Don't have to go too fast, but you have to watch what you're doing. If you feel that you have to use your tin power loop, so please do so. Even at my age, my young tender age, I don't have to use a loop every moment. Now, once we got that done, if you feel that you're not comfortable enough in using any extra high-speed steel burrs, get your file, just come in where you made that cutting with the high-speed steel burr to make sure that that area will be sitting against the pavilion of the stone. We're just making some final touches before we put the stone in.